Scorching Saturday. Heat advisory looms over Chicagoland. As the summer sun blazes on, Chicagoans are bracing for a particularly sweltering Saturday. The National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory in effect from Saturday, August 16, 2025, between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Counties affected include LaSalle, Kendall, Kankakee, Grundy, and portions of Will County, including the northern, eastern, and southern areas. Fox 32 Chicago. +1. Heat index to soar near 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures are expected to climb into the low to mid-90s across the region, while humidity will push the heat index toward the triple-digit territory around 100 degrees. Fox 32 Chicago. +1. Particularly in southern suburbs, it may feel even hotter. Fox 32 Chicago. Weekend weather outlook. Friday will mark the return of a heat wave, with humidity steadily increasing. By Saturday, the heat will build. Heat indices near 100 degrees Fahrenheit are anticipated. Fox 32 Chicago. +1. Sunday promises more hot and humid conditions, again with potential for morning thunderstorms and heat indices lingering in the triple digits. Highs are expected to remain in the low to mid-90s. Fox 32 Chicago. +2. Fox 32 Chicago. +2. Thunderstorms may offer brief relief. Cloud cover and morning thunderstorms are possible both Saturday and Sunday. While they may provide temporary relief, there's also the potential they could disrupt temperature forecasts, especially if they linger. Fox 32 Chicago. +1. Looking ahead to early next week, expect some relief. Monday should still be sizzling, with highs in the lower 90s. However, scattered storms are likely, followed by a cool down into the low 80s by Tuesday. Fox 32 Chicago. +2. Fox 32 Chicago. +2. What the heat advisory means. A heat advisory is issued when high heat index values are expected and could pose risks such as heat exhaustion or heat stroke, especially for vulnerable groups like older adults, children, and those working or exercising outdoors. Wikipedia. +1. Safety tips for beating the heat. Tip description. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, even if you don't feel thirsty. Limit outdoor activity, avoid strenuous tasks from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., the advisory window. Seek cool environments. Air-conditioned spaces like malls, libraries, or community centers can offer relief. Dress smart. Opt for lightweight, light-colored, and loose-fitting clothing. Check on others. Keep an eye on children, elderly relatives, and neighbors. Know the signs. Heat exhaustion can include dizziness, nausea, or a rapid heartbeat. Heat stroke is a medical emergency. Call emergency services if you notice symptoms like confusion, fainting, or lack of sweating.